Okay, so hello everyone. I just wanted to make a video today, and it's almost an year of me using this bike. Just to give you context, this is a pre-owned bike, and I've been using it for the last 1 year. Though the number of kilometers are less that I've put in, it's around 6 or 7,000, mostly because of the corona thing, but I thought I had an idea to make this video when I got this bike, like it's within a month or so, but I thought I should give it some time before I actually make it. So this is the 5 things that I like about this bike, and this is in no particular order. I just thought these are some of the things that I actually like about this bike, riding this bike. And so starting off with this engine and this gearbox combo. So it's a really wonderful combination, these things, this engine and this gearbox, because you always have a wide grin whenever you ride this bike. It's that exciting and that much fun. It's not as exciting as the previous generation 390, and that's not to do with the power created. It's just that when this bike was created, it had to go through the BS4 norms, and the weight of the bike increased, so that's why there is a slight decrease in the performance as compared to the older generation 390. But for me, it's still fast. Coming from an RS 200, I still feel it's really fast, this bike, in the city and on the highway as well. Complementing its engine, is the gearbox. It is precise, but sometimes I get a false neutral between the second and the third gear, but that generally happens when the oil changes. When it's time for an oil change, it only happens at that time. But apart from that, it's been a wonderful time with this bike, with this engine and this gearbox. So that's the first thing that I actually like about it. It's pretty obvious, but yeah, that's one of the main things that I like about this bike. Every time you ride it, you will have a wide grin on your friggin' face. And so the second thing are the front brakes. Just let me tell you, it's actually very phenomenal, the front brakes. You will be going at some like say 100, 110, and with just a slight tap on the front brake, you can feel the bite in the brakes. I mean, it would do a lot better with some EBC brake pads, but I'm still using the original ones that come with the bike, the stock ones, and it still does a wonderful job of stopping the bike, let me say. Apart from that, the thing that I actually like about this bike would be this thing. Not just because it's an LCD TFT unit, though it is one of the reasons that I actually like it, but it shows you quite a lot of information, like the temperature of the bike, the odor, the date. If you're receiving a phone call, you will get that, and a lot more. I always like to know what's happening with the motorcycle, and a lot of information I can see that on my TFT itself. In my Pulsar RS 200, the previous bike that I owned, it had a couple of information shown on the display, but not a lot. Like no temperature gauge, no what the gear position indicator, nothing. It had some basic things mentioned in the like in the dash on that bike. And the fourth thing is the ease of use in the city. So in chock-a-block traffic, it does tend to heat up, and the fans are running constantly, but I don't think that's a problem. The fans are supposed to work, and it does work, but it's pretty easy to use inside the city, as it's nimble. You can filter a lot with this thing in the city, so that's actually very easy. With the RS 200, because of the kit and the driving position, I feel that this is a lot easier to be ridden in the city if we can deal with the heat that it creates. And the fifth thing that I like about this bike is actually related to the fourth one. I use this bike for everyday commute. I use this bike for weekend rides. I use this bike to go maybe a little bit off-road. For me, it's like an all-rounder bike. I mean, it doesn't work very well in slash off-road kind of situation, but it gets you there. I mean, I don't ride like every day in slush and off-road conditions, but when I do, like if you ride carefully, even with these slick tires, you manage to get through. So I would say, like, the fifth point that I actually like about this bike is that it's kind of an all-rounder. I mean, you can use this for daily commutes, you can use this for weekend rides. It's just a wonderful, you have a wonderful time being on the saddle on this one. So these are the 5 things that I actually like about this bike. There are many more, but these are the ones that came in my mind when I thought of making this video. And if you guys like any other features apart from the one I mentioned, please make sure to mention them in the video, like in the comment section. And if you have any questions related to this bike, let me know in the comment section as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.